Okay, I broke my phone. And because I broke my phone, I had to go and replace it. This was not intentional whatsoever. I have, and I'm using currently right now, an iPhone 13 Pro Max. I love that phone. I love the color. This in the box was a compromise because apparently with titanium they don't have all these more exotic colors or whatever anymore. So I'm stuck with what I have. In my hand is my Karumbit, and I've already started this entire thing without any drink. So I'm a little upset about that. But let's do this here. And just gonna prick it just a little bit there. Whoops. Just a little bit there. In here. And come over here. There we go. And oh, there we go. I knew there was gonna be some words in there. Oh, oh my God! Hang on, I gotta stop. I got an alarm going on over here. Wow, this is considerably heavier than the previous model. Okay, so let's open this thing up and see what's inside. We got a little peel thing here. And let's see what this looks like. There's something down here at the bottom. Yep, there's another peel thing at the bottom. So there's two peeling things here. And oh, that's it. There it is. There it is indeed. Oh my God, this looks prissy as hell. It looks very ladylike almost. Oh, hang on. I can peel this off real close. This here. Ooh. So there it is. I finally have the device. Let's turn this thing on. Oh, this is the camera button. This is the weirdo camera button. That's so weird. It just floats over there. Wait, or is this the weirdo button? What the heck? There's two buttons over here. I saw the video. Man, that has some weight to it. So I got three buttons. Oh, there he is. Hello, Carlton. How are you today? This is so prissy. So prissy. Oh, braided. Oh, I like that. There we go. And we got some little thing here. No big instructions. And no sticker. Oh my God, there's no sticker! What am I going to put on my car? How are people going to identify me as an Apple user? Oh boy. So, I have a case for this here. I have a clear case that I'm going to use. I'm hoping it fits. I was not expecting this button whatsoever. I was not expecting that button. And I also have a shield to put on it. It's not Magic Johnson or whatever that guy name said his name was. It's not that one. It's just a cheap version of it. I just needed it fast. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to choose English because that's what I speak. I speak with a British accent. Because I'm from England. Brighton, England. Ha ha ha. Yeah, we can continue with the appearance. No, we're not going to mess with that. We're just going to keep it as default. Wait, what's medium? Oh, it's the letters. Nah, keep it as default. There we go. And quick start. We're not going to go any further than this here. This is where we actually stop.